Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how you can create undeletable folder in your Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you I'll be creating one folder in the D drive. As you can see, there is one folder named move. So I'll be creating one undeletable folder here on this drive. So you please note it. So what you need to do is you press Win key on your keyboard and R to enable your run software. And on the run, you need to type CMD. Once you type CMD, hit enter in your keyboard, or you can press OK using your mouse. So the command prompt software will be displayed. So here you can see it's C drive right now. So I'll be creating a folder in the D drive. You can create in C drive too, but in this video I'll be creating a folder in the D drive. So what you need to do is press Shift and D. Again press Shift and colon, hit enter. Now it moved to D drive. So in the D drive I'll be creating that undeletable folder. So what you need to type is type md space con and you need to type this slash. After typing this command, you hit enter on your keyboard. Your undeletable folder is created. So let's check it out by going inside the D drive. So you can see here undeletable folder is being created. So let me try to delete this by right clicking. As you can see here, here is the delete option. So I'll be clicking the delete. It's not going to delete. So let me try again once more. So it's not going to delete. Let me refresh whether it's deleted or not. So it's not deleted. So you can, in this way, you can create undeletable folder, but this folder is not usable. As you can see, when I double tap it, the handle is invalid. It's not accessible. So it's not usable. So it's just a cool tricks to create a undeletable folder, but how to remove it if you don't need it. So we'll move back to command prompt. So in the command prompt, you need to type rd space con and slash. Once you type this command, hit enter. Now the undeletable folder which you have created is deleted now. So we'll see it's gone or not. We'll visit again in the D drive. So it's no more. So in this way, it's a very cool tricks to show or create undeletable folder in your Windows computer. So if you find this cool tips and tricks how to create undeletable folder, then please hit on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.